Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G 2025 and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So in this upper panel we've got the timer. This is this crossed out icon. So let's tap on it. In this device we've got 3 options, so off, 10 and 3 seconds delay. So just mark the option. I'll choose 10 seconds. As you can see, the icon will change. And now we have to tap on the shutter button, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Alright. Of course you can turn it off, just tap on the timer, tap on this crossed out icon, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.